guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue St. Louis style ribs. So stay tuned for the video. Thank you. Okay you guys, so I have my ribs here and you can see that it has a lot of fat on it. So what I'm going to do is going to trim both sides. Okay, so all of this fat around here, I'm going to trim a little bit up. I'm going to leave some so it won't be so dry. I want them to be moist when I cook them. So I'm just going to trim up some of the fat. And this is going to be my first time cooking, so I'm praying that they come out good. Normally I don't eat pork ribs, but this is the recipe I'm going to try. And I watched a couple of videos so I could learn how to cook them. So you see the fat, so you want to trim a little bit off so it won't be so much. In one of the videos that I watched, I forgot the man's name, but he cut his ribs so they can be squared off on each side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to follow the same pattern that he did. Okay, I'm going to go to the back. Turn it over, and with this right here, this piece right along here, I'm going to trim all of that off. A bigger knife. So it can be even at the bottom. And I'm putting my trimmings in the paper plate. Okay, so this piece right here, I'm going to trim this also. Just trying to make a nice cut so it can be even. And I'm going to feel for the bone and cut in between and cut this piece off. set this to the side. So now, kind of have it all squared on each side. So now, I'm trying to get the membrane off. So this, I want to get this off. In the video, the man said to take that off. So I'm gonna stick my knife under. Let's see, let me get a butter knife. Okay, so I got a butter knife. I'm gonna try to find it's quite hard. Okay, there we go. See if I can get it all up. And let me know in the comments, have you ever cooked St. Louis style ribs? I'm going to be cooking them on the inside grill, indoor grill. I know people normally do it on charcoal, gas, or in the oven. Let me know, have you tried it on the inside door grill? I'm having trouble with the membrane, but I'm gonna keep working. Kind of slippery too. There we go. He took a paper towel to get it, so let me try that. Part of it. There we go. Keep going. Alright, that should be enough. Then I'm going to go in and trim some more along here. Fit along here. This way. Let me know in the comments what you be seasoning your ribs with. I'm gonna make a dry rub also. that should be enough. So I have my ribs all trimmed up, square side. All right. Okay, so now I got my ribs all cleaned and trimmed. I'm gonna make my dry rub. I'm gonna add some ground mustard, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, sea salt. I'm going to give it a mix. And I have my grill already heating up. I put it at 250 degrees. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit and let it get hot. Okay, now I'm going to rub my ribs on each side. I'm going to put mustard first. Just a little bit to hold the seasoning on each side. You want one dirty hand, one clean hand. You're going to do your dry rub. Now you want to flip and do the same thing. You add your dry rub. Just massage it in. Just like you're giving somebody a back rub. Rub the back. I'm going to flip again. And I'm going to let this rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to put my ribs on the grill But first I'm going to, this is a non-stick grill, but I'm going to oil it with some olive oil first before I lay the ribs down. So I'm just going to take a sprinkle of olive oil, then I'm just going to brush it. Alright, now I'm going to transfer my ribs. I'm going to put bottom side down first. Alright, I'm going to let that cook for an hour on that side. Then I'm going to come back and turn it over within another hour. Then let the front side cook. Alright, so now that the ribs are halfway done, I'm going to start basting with the barbecue sauce, and I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to baste, pour it and baste. Almost burnt nothing. And while it was cooking, I made a vinegar spritz with a little bit of vinegar and water, and spritz it as it was cooking so it can be juicy. Alright, then I'll let that cook. So guys, this is what the finished look is. So I think I did good for my first time doing ribs, especially on an indoor grill. It looked good to me. So I'm going to send these off so the person can enjoy them. So I thank you for stopping by my channel and watching my video. Please come back again. Peace out. Love you. Have a blessed day.